In this demo, we'll demonstrate BlueCat Integrity's multi-primary DNS support, which can enhance DNS infrastructure's overall reliability, availability, and resilience. Network engineers don't always have the luxury of flexible DNS deployment models that can consistently update and propagate records across DNS servers configured in a multi-primary grouping. But with the release of BlueCat Integrity 9.6, DNS updates via API, GUI, and external DDNS update propagation can be automated across up to 3 horizontally scaled DNS servers in a group. Configuring multi-primary DNS in BlueCat Integrity is made easy through the Address Manager interface or via APIs. Here, we'll configure multi-primary in the Address Manager using these 2 BlueCat DNS and DHCP servers by first jumping into server groups. Clicking the Add button will check the box for multi-primary and name the server group. Next, we'll click Add. Next, let's jump into the new server group and add our 2 BlueCat DNS and DHCP servers to the new group. Then, we'll add a DNS deployment option for the group to a zoneexample.com, allowing dynamic updates to propagate across all servers in the group. Next, we'll jump into deployment roles. Click to add a DNS role and select the type of role as multi-primary. Now we'll attach this DNS role to our multi-primary DNS server group. Next, we'll click Add. Deploying the server groups will deploy to all the servers in the group in parallel. Next, we'll add a resource record test.example.com to the example.com zone with the selective dynamic deployment events in the UI deploying to both DNS servers in the group. Let's do a quick resolution test for the test.example.com resource record from both DNS servers using a dig. And with this last test on the second BlueCat DNS and DHCP server, we can see the record has propagated to all servers in the multi-primary group. Finally, let's test an RFC 2136 external DDNS update using NS update to one of the DNS servers. And now we can see the record is added in BlueCat Address Manager as test4.example.com. With a dig, we can see that it's dynamically propagated to the other DNS server in the group. Finally, to proactively get ahead of zone transfer failures, they are available as SNMP traps and in a pollable SNMP table on the BlueCat DNS and DHCP server for external customer monitoring. In addition, Address Manager has inbuilt monitoring extended to pull the SNMP table of zone transfer failures on BlueCat appliances, logging these events and optionally providing notify events on failure. And that's how you deploy BlueCat Integrity's multi-primary DNS. Visit BlueCat.com to learn more.